village is like a maze. It's like all zigzags and like a little tiny streets. Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video in the beautiful city of Da Nang in Vietnam.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land.
Now the area I'm walking through, it's called Da Nang Fresco Village. It's literally 2 minutes maybe bike ride or maybe 5 minutes walk from the Da Nang, the Dragon Bridge, onto the city side, not to the Mei He beach side. And I think it's pretty cool to just actually walk around and have an insight of how the locals live. I'm trying to make this video with all due respect, not trying to intrude people's privacy by pointing cameras into the houses, but you know, from the public street point of view, I think this is what I can do, and you know, give us an all appreciation of what this place is.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty a rich man's world. A rich man's world. Beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Village is like a maze. It's like all zigzags and like a little tiny streets. You don't even see them until actually you're literally standing next to them, and they literally connect throughout the village. I think that's pretty cool.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Now I'm not sure what the relevance of all this street art is, but if anyone knows, please let us know in the comment box, and I'm sure along with myself, everyone else would like to know as well. But this street art is obviously being done by some really good artists. When you look at that, the amount of details, they're pretty amazing.
a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man.
So most of the art has been worn out or dated, I would say. Hey, but still here. So it's 2023, and I hope whenever you come here, it's, if not maintained better, it's still here. I reckon you should definitely come and explore here.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Well, that's a dead end. I thought it was a street, one of those connecting ones. I was wrong. Now feel free to come down here and get lost into the maze of this village. You know, even if you get lost, your only loss is that you're gonna end up or run into a new piece of art. I'll mention how to get here on the description and on the screen as well. But be mindful, there are multiple entries or exits to get into this part of the village. As long as you know the rough location of this place, I'm sure you'll find one way or the other. Have a look. I'm keep running into all this new stuff. It's cool, eh?
a rich man's world. Beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty.
I think I found my my favorite part here. Love the elephants. But how cool is this picture? Or the painting, I should say.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but you are in the world. Have the soul of beautiful land, but
No, it's kind of like a bit sad that how they park their bikes stuck in front of the art. I mean, I would have appreciated it if they were a little bit on the side, or at least they left the walls which has the artifacts or the art on them. That way people could actually, you know, appreciate it a little bit more. But it's okay. It is what it is. At least they are here.
a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
So just to give you guys a bit of a reference, that behind me is the Dragon Bridge. So past that is the Mike Beach, and this is towards the city. So as soon as you come out of the Dragon Bridge towards the city, you come across this building over here. You gotta make a U-turn, and then you can literally come up here, and then this is one of the entrances, but there are many around this whole village. Well, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next videos. There'll be more stuff coming, so see you very soon. A really cool place to have breakfast here in the street. I don't know what it's called, but it looks really cool.
of this beautiful land, but the beauty mama.
What a cool place. So they got two stories, obviously the downstairs and the upstairs. This is nice.
But you are a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but you are in the world. Have the soul of beautiful land, but a rich man's world.